What's up, y'all? It's your boy Shaka Antoine, and in today's video we're going to be combat fishing the railroad bridge. Now, I'm no fan of combat fishing because this really is not going to work out for me. You'll see later on what I mean. But basically, we arrived late. You know how it is at the railroad bridge. Guys be camping out. So Lou and I squeezed ourselves in between a few people here. I had one person that was in between Lou and I to my left, and another person to the right. Now, I jig left-handed. As you can see here in this photo, there is no space. I jig left-handed, which means that when I jig, my rod kept hitting the rod of the person that was standing to my left because that person was right-handed. And there was a person that was to my right that I was conscious of trying not to hit their rod because we were so close. And when I would jig, again, the same thing. I would hit the rod, the person that was standing to my left. So I quit. I literally stopped fishing. I went back up to the bank and just continued to watch them because we weren't catching fish at the time. So I just quit. Now, when fish started to be getting caught, what I decided to do is something that I never really liked to do, which is I took up the #1 position. And then and only then did that work out for me.
Plus, Bubba the seal is going to pay us a visit as well.
Now, because I was in the #1 position, that presented several issues. The main one was my drift was going to be shorter than everyone else's because I'm so close to the piling. I mean, everyone there was using 5 to 5.5 ounces. So to compensate, I had to go up to 6 ounces just so that I would get down quicker and get in the zone. The second challenge is getting the fish away from the piling. So what I would normally do is muscle that fish in as close as possible first. Once I get it inside the piling, that's when I'll take it easy on the fish. The third issue will be once you have your fish in close, you have to worry about everyone else's line that is now going to be either wrapped up in your line or trying to avoid their line.
Whoa, close bait.
The last thing you want and need is to have someone's line in your spool.
Black hole would have stuck him. Maybe my new car's battery is dead because I left the light on. Maybe it's pretty off.
All right.
If you go behind me, you'll be good.
Here's a good look at the lineup that we got going on here, and I'm #1.
Blue zone?
You guys are good.
Now, the fifth thing that I hate about being #1 is you have to wait until the entire lineup is done casting before you can cast. Now, if you just heard Lou tell me you guys are good, so that means I start the cast.
Lou. Lou. Let me see it.
Huh?
Let me see it if you can.
I got lines on.
All right, all right.
No, I don't. Hey, look.
In a little bit, I'm going to see something that's going to infuriate me about waiting to everyone cast.
Não. Aquele é 20 boa, aquele do lado dele. Do lado dele. Cara insuportável. Não, rapaz. O que tá atrás dele. Atrás do cantinho. Rapaz, o cara não vai demais. Oi? Eu? Ô meu filho, eu não escuto mais não. Você não vai nesse lugar.
Al, is he under me?
No, it's over. I'll send you a double.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh!
That was a good one.
You dumping a lot of? Yeah, a lot. A lot?
See, now if you count, I can only get about 7 jigs in before I have to start retrieving. Otherwise, I'll be into the piling. Now, if these fish were past the piling like often they were, man, I'd have to be doing a whole lot of dumping just to reach the fish, and a whole lot of muscling in to get it past the on the inside of the piling. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to come out so well on camera, but there's a ton of peanut bunker and herring fry in the water, and this is what I'm looking at the moment, which basically plays a huge role in the pattern that these fish are taking up at the moment. Whenever there's bunker or even peanuts in the canal, it tends to make these fish get into this pattern where they stick in specific areas, not traveling the entire length of the canal. This is one of the things that I really dislike. I prefer there to be mackerel or herring in the canal, not bunker. Let me know in the comments below what you prefer. I mean, it seems like ever since these bluefish arrived, they scared all of the mackerel out of the canal anyway.
He is not taking any, he's not doing anything. I'm over everybody here. Oh, this is nuts. Hold on. Who's got the blue line?
Me, I got the blue.
Don't do, oh, don't.
That's fine.
Come on.
Mayhem.
All right, that's my fish right there.
That's your fish out?
Yeah, but you gotta, don't let that get in you. Oh God. In there.
Well, I'm sliding in this way.
Now that's my blue canal.
That's like a spider's web. Oh my God.
Perfect time to cast with all the fish in there. Look.
Bob, is this yours?
I have a fish. All that line is wrapped around my wallet.
All right.
Oh, got a big one.
Hmm?
We'll get a big one.
We'll see, right?
Just right here.
Now that's Tom. He
So we'll
normally
see.
takes up the #1 position, so no wonder who will be coming up now.
That's a nice one, Luke.
I'm on a fish.
Yep.
We got blue canal.
Yep.
Oh, I'm
Oh yeah, fish on. Oh. I don't like where he's at though.
See, now I hooked this fish right next to the pilot, so immediately I'm trying to turn its head. So that's how I'm not retrieving straight up. I'm just retrieving to my left, turning away rather than bring it right to me. This way I can turn the head of the fish to get it away from that pilot. See, now that worked. I got it away from the piling. It's out of the current, so now I'm just taking it easy. And now is when I realize it's not such a big fish at all.
Wow. That's blues on top. Long splashes. That's blues.
Is it?
Yep. Oh no.
All right, there we go.
Teamwork.
That's it. So we got maybe blues on the top, bass on the bottom. We should be good to go. Good? I think so. Okie dokie. Rolling.
Ow. It's somewhere in here is when I started to get upset because I'm the #1 position and I'm waiting for others to finish casting down further down. And then I got people skipping.
Tom, go down. Down. There we go.
Oh, great. I was being patient or trying to.
Now again, here I am being patient, I'm waiting. Then the person that skipped me catches a fish. Now I really have to wait again.
Who, you using a green fish lab?
No, I'm using the bunker colored canal bait.
Oh, you are?
The one I lost.
Ah, my favorite lure this time of year. I have them in my house.
Jesus, man.
Now someone else just hooked up.
You on, Kevin? Chuck, are you getting this?
Somewhat.
No?
I said somewhat.
Tripled up over here.
It's great. I was actually waiting to cast and then you guys kept hooking up.
Oh, right.
And besides, with the glare of the sun and how many people are over there bunched up, it's difficult to see anyway.
They're inside the piling, so
You good, Chuck?
yep.
All the way down.
Dude, look, he's getting blown up on that time. Oh, he's on. Where is my fish?
Right over here. That's a nice one.
That's a nice one, Lou.
Big head. Big head, seriously.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. Yo, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Not good.
Move over, Lou. Okay. Whose fish? Somebody's fish is right here?
I think so, yeah. Maybe not.
That's a fish, definitely, but
Fish popping, right?
yeah. Definitely is a fish.
Massive peanuts.
Just came on.
Oh.
How we looking? Well, push it up and hold on.
Oh. Oh man, this is gonna be fun.
Okay.
I don't call it until I get out of this.
Oh, oh.
That was me.
Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Touch it?
No, I just dropped it. I was never ready for it. Could not get close.
Oh no! I'm stuck. Nope.
And then there is this, the constantly getting stuck. Man, I hate losing jigs. And on this trip, I have lost so many due to snags, getting stuck, line getting caught with other lines. And then there's the seal situation that's about to come up. Now, while I was sorting out my line, Lou hooked into a decent fish. So at least I was able to capture that one.
Making you work on that one, huh? There he is. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. On you now. You're on me.
Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
That's the one I just let go.
Bubba has a fish.
He's got breakfast. He's got breakfast. Get out of here.
I hate you. I hate you.
So take note, Bubba caught a fish, he's facing us, letting us know that he has the fish, and he's eating it in our face basically, right?
Well, he's gonna be busy for a little bit.
Oh, by the way, I'm no longer in the number 1 position. I'm number 2 now.
Ooh, right up top. Peanuts.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're going.
Just wait. Man.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Another one, or is that the same one?
Oh, that's a big fish.
That's a bigger fish than the other.
Yeah. Is that another seal though?
Yeah, I think it might be. It's bleeding out now. That fish was still alive.
I mean, that would suggest that fish are down there.
Yeah.
He's sitting here trying to catch these under this damn bridge. All right, fish on. Seal has a fish. Oh no, he let it go. He let it go.
That seal hit you.
Oh, he's coming for it. He's coming for it. Oh, you're screwed.
Oh, my fish is right here. Get on up here. Oh, wait a minute. Come on now. What's going on here? What's going on here?
Yeah, what is going on? That's weird.
He got you? You got him.
Yo, he got you?
No.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I think he might.
Yeah, the seal got him.
It's gonna start screaming any second.
Yeah, that seal got you, bro.
Yep. I'm just gonna let him take it.
I want to see him come up.
Or it might just be a big fish. No. Not the way that it was moving.
Dude, oh, the fish came out. The fish came out. The fish came out. Oh, yeah, he got it.
All of a sudden it's just gonna go.
Nice work.
Oh, he's still on it. He's turning the seal, bro.
No, he would have took it by now.
Got it again?
What an a-hole. You're not gonna win.
Oh, you got good footage. That seal doesn't really want it.
It's just killing it.
Maybe blue.
It's messing with you, bro. Uh-oh. I think I spoke too soon.
Alright, just keep him busy for a little while.
Ah,
Tighten it up like I did. And he might...
whoa, whoa.
Tip down a second, I'll get out over you.
Might be 100-pound bass, man.
You know, oh,
All right, there you go. Oh man, you lost your phone? At least you got your line. Dance.
Go ahead,
Oh well.
Yo, Shaka.
What up?
Look, you're showing off your fish.
Yeah.
Wow. That is so rude.
Nice fish too.
Look at him. I love it.
He's giving everyone the finger.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
He doesn't even want it.
Yeah, because he didn't like what he did to yours. He didn't even go anywhere.
Stomach. They eat the stomach and the head and let the fish float. That's the glory.
Because he's already had one when I hooked up.
You just want fresher. Even though that fish is fresh. That's a good fish too.
Big fish under the bridge. On the pilot.
Well, after that seal incident, the fish seemed to just thin out. Nobody was catching anymore. The fish were around still, as we were still seeing them on top, but they were just out of range within the piling. So
Is that a seal in front of him?
we just decided to take a ride, see what's going on the east end, only to find a seal camping out right in front of some fishermen that were there.
Why is that seal roll up on them like that? It's rude.
After riding around for quite some time, we didn't find any more action. It was very, very hot. This was like, the temperature was like 90s. It was in the 90s, but it felt like it was 100. We just basically quit, man. We said, you know, we're just gonna take a nap and pick it back up when it gets dark on the same tide that we had this morning. And the night crowd was much lighter, as you can see here in this photo. Definitely was a lighter crowd, but pretty much the same scenario, wherein you know, the fish wasn't showing for a little bit, but then when they started showing, then I started fishing. And we was going to hook up first, and then I'm going to hook into a decent fish. Unfortunately, I'm going to lose it due to the line situation here. My line was getting tangled with everyone's line. Eventually, it popped, and the fish was off.
Yeah, I might stay tomorrow morning, depending on how all I do. Because I'm gonna pull another all-nighter. And then if it's decent like how I had last night, then I'm gonna stay another day.
Oh,
And then if I see
bruh. Bruh.
Huh?
I was recording that.
What?
I was recording.
Oh,
Yeah.
Now I'm hooked up to a really nice fish here. It's got a lot of weight. It's not fighting as much. So that tells me this is a big fish.
Say, Mom, stay. Tell your mom that you need to stay. Come on, dude.
tell your mom you can't go. The boys
Can't
are
go,
calling
dude.
me.
What the?
Oh shit, this is light, dude.
Later.
You'll see.
Is your car close? Yeah. Can you put this? Do you mind going back to put this in the car?
You get them on bottom?
You want me to go?
Double.
Yeah, on the bottom. Luke. In the middle.
And now Lou is hooked up as well.
It's coming out.
Dude, thank you so much. I appreciate you, dude. If I do
No,
good,
but
I'll
I'm-
be worried. I'll see you in my bag.
Don't give her a word. If I get stuck where you got order rock, you be fine.
Alright, cool. Yeah, it's a lammy to 3 to 8,
Why is this
but
fish not fighting?
yeah, I like him
I
too.
fix these back rivers, though.
Yeah, I like him too, but I need something with a little bit more backbone.
Yeah.
Nice, dude. You cinched it down already? The top section? You cinched it down already? Alright, cool.
It's like put down, turn 45 degrees.
Right. Okay, cool. Thank you, Robert. Would you sell me this one if I like it? I like that. Yeah, I like this one because it's all black. I don't like any color. You know what I'm saying, Igor?
What the hell?
Okay, oh wait, these are just wait, Igor. Let me understand. These are just yours that you were like testing out and shit.
What is it?
These are just like yours that you're testing out and shit.
The one that I'm fixing is the same thing. It's just,
Great.
I got you.
So I think I
God damn it, man.
What happened?
The fish came off. Whose line is this right here?
Oh, that was your fish too.
Man, good one.
Yeah, it was.
It wasn't, that wasn't me that pulled you off.
I just worrying about line. Now I'm stuck right here.
Your line broke?
No, the fish came off. Damn, now I'm stuck. Great. Well, you're going quick.